Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. The Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. I'm in the hallway, and we're about to see the one-bedroom model. This is going to be a two-video walkthrough. We're going to walk through the living and kitchen first, and then in the second video, we're going to do the bathroom and bedroom. This is what the hallways look like. It's an open-air hallway, by the way, open air. It's got fans that are circulating the air, and then it's got concrete here. Okay, let's walk in and take a look, and wow, really pretty. Love the feel here. Feels great inside, by the way. Very cool, air conditioned. Love it. Really nice mudroom area with some shelves, and man, beautiful kitchen. Love this kitchen. It's just gorgeous. It's so pretty. I love the island. Perfect. Just perfect size. And then you've got an amazing area here too. Just a lot of countertop space. That's some quartz countertops. Really nice ice maker, and you've got a beautiful amount of cabinets, and just love the appliances. Everything's new and nice and pretty. That island is just super cool too. Hey, so the flooring is also really nice. I love it. It's a really kind of light wood flooring. It looks really pretty. And then you've got a really nice living room area. It feels airy, fresh, and I love it. Hey, we're gonna go outside though. I want to look at this patio with you. Let's take a look at the patio and open this up, and that's what it looks like. So really cool. This is we saw that pool, but this is a great view, isn't it? That's a very long pool. That really looks like a football field size, if not even bigger. It's an amazing pool. But anyway, this is your view. This is your balcony. You'd have just enough really for like one chair, so that's about right. And then it looks like this here. Oh wow, just a really pretty place. Hey, so we're about to do a part 2 video. Stick around because we're going to see the bedroom and the bathroom. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a tour, virtual, live, and it doesn't matter the time of day or night that you're watching this, just send a text, and I'll get that taken care of for you.